Okay, speaking of other light fixtures, you see this light fixture in here? This is the garage. Can you see that it's slightly different? See how that cover is a prismatic type cover? It's kind of hard to see it. It's kind of flickering, and the reason why it's flickering is because two bulbs are out. And chances are those other two are gonna go out after a while too. So remember I said I had 2 extra bulbs? I could wait until those other 2 bulbs burn out and then just replace those instead of having to get four more. I've got 2 other light fixtures like this in the other garage. Okay, I could get another 10-pack if I wanted, you know. But first I'll still make the deduction of, I don't want to make the assumption that these are the same size bulbs as the other ones, but chances are they are, because when they built the house, they probably installed all the same light fixtures for either T8 bulbs or T12 bulbs, and those were in the laundry were the T8s, the thinner ones. Okay, chances are these are the thinner ones too. You might think, oh, I can see the difference. Well, it's kind of hard to see. In fact, I'm not exactly quite sure. If it was during the day and I turned the lights off and looked up there, I might be able to tell. But see, this cover is different. See, this is the type that that lip, that edge that I was showing you all the way along there, holds this whole cover. This whole plastic cover has an edge that goes up, and then it goes over that way about a 1/4 inch or so, maybe a little bit more, all the way down. So what you do with those is you put it in there and you fit it over one edge. Fit it over one edge, make sure it's pushed in tight. Then you lift this side up and then kind of tweak it just a little bit, and it'll start going over. You may have to go over a little bit. And when you take it off, you may not be able to take it off all in one go. Take it so that you loosen it up over there. Don't just try to manhandle it, because maybe it's not going to come. And you think, oh yeah, I can do it. I'm not going to get up there. It's kind of tall. I'm just going to put my hand here and here, and I'm going to crank on that a little bit, and then snap, crackle, pop. You just messed up your lens cover. Okay, so I would take that side a little bit loose, and I can readjust the ladder so I can do the middle and the other end with relocating the ladder. Then after I get one side loose, I can swivel it down and then take it and push the whole thing that way and down. Okay, all right. And you know, when I get ready to get up there, I might make another video of all the garage light bulbs, but it's getting late and I gotta go for now.